This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming support and network parity. First, make sure your Hisense TV model supports Miracast or a built-in screen share app. This is required. Once confirmed, connect both the TV and the phone or laptop to the same Wi-Fi network. Different networks will block discovery. Now you turn the TV on and quickly open Settings, then Network to verify Wi-Fi is active. After that, go directly to the TV's apps list and locate the screen share or Miracast entry to begin. You'll now make the devices find each other. With screen share open on the Hisense, it must show a discoverable screen, leave it visible. On your phone or Windows laptop, open the Cast or Wireless Display option and scan. On Android, it's usually Cast. On Windows, use Connect or Project. Choose the TV name exactly as it appears. Then watch your TV for connection prompt, accept it. If a PIN appears, type it on your device. Once paired, the stream begins, and you'll see your device mirrored. You complete the session by stopping casting on your device or selecting Stop on the TV. That ends the mirror cleanly. If you notice lag, stutter, or missing audio, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band and close other heavy network apps. Then restart the TV and source device and reconnect. Make sure the TV firmware and your device OS are up to date if problems persist. If nothing works, switch to a direct HDMI or an alternate screen sharing app as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.